Idaho's senior population is growing, and many need help to live safely at home. Families are often stretched thin, worrying about their loved ones. A home care agency addresses this urgent need, offering peace of mind. First, set up your business structure. In Idaho, many choose an LLC for asset protection. Next, you'll pick a name, get an EIN, and open a dedicated business bank account. In Idaho, the Department of Health and Welfare licenses home care agencies. They have different rules for non-medical and skilled services, so visit their website for specific regulations. Your Policies and Procedures Manual is your playbook for safe care, covering hiring, background checks, and training to protect your clients and business. Hiring the right people is crucial, including Idaho-required background checks. Robust training and clear policies ensure quality care. Next, decide how you'll get paid. Private pay offers flexibility, while becoming an Idaho Medicaid provider ensures steady referrals. However, Medicaid involves set rates and complex rules. Many agencies use a hybrid model to balance these different payment options. Staffing is a common hurdle. Attract qualified caregivers by building a respectful culture with meaningful training, which your Policies and Procedures Manual will help you define and enforce. Instead of writing from scratch, we provide templates tailored for Idaho home care agencies. Get hiring forms, client intake packets, and operational policies. These tools save time and ensure your agency is built on a solid, compliant foundation. Your caregivers must know their scope of practice, especially with medications. Your policy manual must clearly define safety protocols, emergency plans, and the crucial medication boundaries for your non-medical staff. Building this comprehensive framework from scratch can be a monumental task. To protect your agency, you need essential insurance. General liability, professional liability, and workers' compensation are crucial from day one. Help seniors age in place with dignity. As people live longer, the demand for home care creates a stable, growing, and truly rewarding market you can be a part of. Want hands-on help? Visit carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed, compliant, and ready to serve your community with confidence.